In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 amazing ways to use fruit peels in your garden. These peels are usually thrown away, but they are actually full of nutrients that can help your plants grow faster, stronger, and healthier. Whether you're growing vegetables, fruit trees, or flowers, these simple methods will help you save money and build better soil naturally. So don't toss those banana or orange peels. Turn them into something powerful for your garden. Let's begin. 1. Make liquid fertilizer with fruit peels. This is one of the easiest and most powerful ways to feed your plants using fruit peels. We're going to turn those kitchen scraps into a rich, homemade liquid fertilizer. Start by collecting fruit peels from what you eat daily: banana, orange, apple, or any other peels you have available. These peels contain potassium, phosphorus, and other nutrients that plants love. Chop the peels into small pieces. This helps them break down faster and release nutrients more quickly. Next, put the chopped peels into a clean bucket or container. Fill it with water. If you have rainwater, that's perfect. If not, leave tap water sitting overnight so the chlorine disappears. Then, add a few handfuls of garden soil to the bucket. This might sound strange, but the soil contains natural microbes that will help break down the peels and turn the water into a nutrient-rich solution. Stir everything well, then cover the container with a cloth or loose lid. This will keep bugs out but still let air flow, which is important for fermentation. Place the bucket in a warm spot away from direct sun and let it sit for at least 7 days. You can leave it longer, up to 2 or 3 weeks, for a stronger fertilizer. After waiting, your fertilizer will be ready, but it's strong, so you need to dilute it before using. Mix 1 part of the liquid fertilizer with 10 parts of water. Pour this around the base of your plants, or use it as a spray on the leaves. This fertilizer is completely organic and safe for the environment. It helps make leaves greener, stems stronger, and plants more productive. And it's all made from simple kitchen waste.
बॉडी आता रहा
2. Mix fruit peels into garden soil with worm castings. The second method is perfect if you're preparing your garden bed or pot for planting. We'll use fruit peels to make the soil richer and full of life. Start by cutting your fruit peels into small pieces. Now, grab a container and start layering. First, add a layer of worm castings. This is like super soil. Then add a layer of chopped fruit peels. Finish with another layer of worm castings on top. Mix all of this together really well. Now add some fish meal powder, which is another natural fertilizer rich in nitrogen. This will help your plants grow strong stems and healthy leaves. Next, prepare your garden bed or container by removing the top 2 to 3 inches of soil. Add the mixture of worm castings, peels, and fish meal. Spread it evenly, then cover it again with the soil you removed earlier. Worm castings are very powerful. They contain helpful microbes that break down the fruit peels and turn them into plant food. They also improve how the soil holds water and air, making it easier for roots to grow. Once everything is in place, you can sow seeds or transplant seedlings right into the enriched soil. Over time, this mixture will keep feeding your plants, making your garden grow better without any chemical fertilizers. This is a simple and eco-friendly way to recycle kitchen waste and improve your soil naturally. 3. Make biochar soaked in fruit peel juice. This last method may sound like a science project, but it's actually very simple and effective. We'll turn charcoal into a soil booster using fruit peels and microbes. Start with natural charcoal, not the kind used in barbecues with chemicals. Crush it into small pieces. The smaller, the better. Next, chop your fruit peels into tiny pieces and gather some garden soil. Fill a bucket with clean water. Rainwater is best, or use tap water that's been left out overnight. Add the crushed charcoal to the bucket, then the chopped fruit peels, and finally a few handfuls of garden soil. Stir everything well. The charcoal will soak up the nutrients from the peels, and the microbes from the soil will move into the charcoal. Cover the bucket loosely and let it sit for at least 7 days. During this time, the mixture will start to bubble and smell a little. That's normal. It means the microbes are doing their job, breaking down the fruit peels and turning the charcoal into biochar. Now you have 2 ways to use this biochar mixture. First, you can add it directly to your garden bed. Make sure the soil is moist, not dry. Spread the biochar mixture on top and mix it into the first few inches of soil. This gives long-lasting results. The biochar will hold nutrients and water and help plants grow for months or even years. Second, you can use the liquid as a fertilizer. Mix 1 part of the biochar solution with 10 parts clean water and use it to water your plants. This is great for a quick nutrient boost, especially if your plants look weak or slow growing. Biochar helps improve soil structure, holds onto water, and gives a home to good microbes. It can also fix soil pH problems and stays in your soil for many years. Unlike compost, which breaks down quickly, biochar keeps working season after season. This method turns waste into one of the best natural soil boosters you can make at home. So there you have it. 3 simple and powerful ways to use fruit peels in your garden. You can make a liquid fertilizer, enrich your soil with a fruit and worm mix, or turn charcoal and peels into long-lasting biochar. These methods are all easy, organic, and budget-friendly. If you want more videos on natural fertilizers, garden sprays, and smart gardening tips, make sure to check out the rest of the videos on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends who love gardening. Let's grow healthy plants together, naturally.